How to find your IP address in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, let's dive right in. First things first, go to the search bar and then search for control panel. So, open it up and then uh, now tap on network and sharing center. So once you're there, you'll see connections option. Tap on your connection, and then here you'll be able to see all of the information related to your network. You can tap on details, and then here you'll be able to see the IP address. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.